Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, let's learn how to draw alphabet. Now I am drawing A. A is for apple.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X
Now
Y
I am
and Z.
drawing
Now I
B.
know my ABCs.
B is
Next
for
time won't you
ball.
sing with me?
B is
A
for
B C D E
bag.
F G H I J K L M N
Now
O P
I am drawing D. C is for cat. E is for food. Now I am drawing D. D is for dog. D is for do. Now I am doing E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Now I am doing F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Now I am doing Z. Z is for God. Z is for God. Now I am doing Ace. Ace is for house. Ace is for house. Thanks for watching. Bye bye kids.